Well, hello and welcome to the Alonso family farm. My name's Tony.
I'm Cody.
And this right here is Riley, and she's our very first farm animal that we've ever gotten. Has gotten a word?
Yes.
Yes, it is. And we also have Boomer. Say hi, Boomer. And we have Mercy down here as well. That's Mercy, and there are two pit bulls. They're super lovable and super fun to have around our farm.
My name is Christian Alonso, and I am 16 years old. And I wanted to take a moment to show off probably one of my favorite animals here, which is this donkey named Willow.
Hi, I'm Eleni Alonso. I'm 15 years old, and I have two of the best animals on this property, in my opinion.
Hello, my name is Kaden. I'm surprisingly 13, and this is our baby cow, Rosie.
Hi, my name is Logan.
Yes, Logan.
Hi, my name is Chloe Alonso, and I'm 10 years old, and my favorite animal on this property are the pigs. Oh my goodness! Hi, my name is Dylan. I'm 5 years old. I know all about ducks. This one. Say your name. Okay, my name is Naya, and I feel joy.
Well, that's going to conclude our video. We absolutely love our family and our animals, and we hope you enjoyed watching along with us. And so we got to see today the dogs, the bunnies, the pigs, the cats, everybody. We got this. Well, hold on. Did we get everybody?
Yeah.
We did?
Yeah.
Are we missing one?
We went through.
I knew it. I knew it.
Your baby brother or sister that'll be coming.
Knew it. I told you.
What? We were missing one all along.
I told you.
Alonso baby number 8.
I told
Singing in the kitchen, running through the yard, going on vacation, on the credit card, all in this together, we're taking a chance, like birds of a feather, kick off our shoes and